hey there, America. You looking pretty good tonight. You been working out? I didn't think so. Tonight my plan was to bring you a very simple holiday message from the Goddamn Glenn Show. Something to make your Yule log all bright and gay. So I didn't intend on going all Scott Stapp on you this evening, but in an unprecedented turn of events, I am instead here to express both my gratitude and my disgust. It turns out that there's a real Grinch among us out to destroy Christmas. And no, I'm not talking about Kim Jong-un. I'm talking about Mark Zuckerberg, CEO and founder of Facebook. Earlier today, my Facebook account was deactivated because some snitch from St. Louis, who I don't even know, decided to report my name to Facebook. I was minding my own business, tagging my buddy Doug Sherman in a photo of a nude woman bowling that I saw on the Riverfront Times, and out of nowhere, this little rat snitch with a profile pic of a volleyball decided that my name was stupid and then he was going to report me to Facebook. Well, in my line of work, this is par for the course, so I simply said, "Run along, little man, troll someone your own size." But then this morning, my fans alerted me to the fact that I was no longer visible on Facebook. And sure enough, when I attempted to log in, the Facebook robots demanded that I provide my real name. Now, Facebook doesn't have any real, living, breathing customer service. Only a legion of sentient robots who express no emotion, not to mention don't understand a goddamn thing about the Christmas spirit. So my cries for account reactivation fell on deaf ears. Deaf robot ears. So tonight, I have been given no choice but to declare war on Facebook. This gives me great pain as I have made many friends here. Heck, it's even gotten me laid a few times. Many of my Facebook friends have told me that I'm the single reason they log into Facebook. It's not to look at the dumb pics of your new baby, play Candy Crush, or even share the latest Grumpy Cat, but to read what I have to say. Well, my friends, this warms my heart cockles. So I'd like to ask for your support in restoring my Facebook account as it was before, under my name as we all know it, Goddamn Glenn. Better yet, I want a little more. Don't make me replace the O with a little zero because some little rat snitch from St. Louis finds it offensive to his religious beliefs. Say my name, America. I'm Goddamn Glenn. And while we're at it, how about one of those little blue check marks indicating that my shit is verified, son? Friends, do we really want to use a social media site that relies on rat-fink snitches like Dale from St. Louis to tattletale on its users? That's nothing I want part of. I'm more mature than that. Excuse me. Goddamn Glenn is how I'm known in the Boston media, and that's the way it shall stay, or I will permanently leave the site. I manage several pages, and even pay for some of those ridiculous sponsored posts because I'm such a whore. But my time turning tricks on the corner of Silicon Valley is over, Mark. Ain't nobody got time for that. Say my name, Mark. Goddamn Glenn. Say it, and all's forgiven. You, on the other hand, rat snitch Dale from St. Louis, we know how to handle rats like you in Boston. And to you, my friends and fans, whether you spin the dreidel, sexually assault each other under the mistletoe, or rant about the Christ child in Harvard Square even though no one's listening, on behalf of the Goddamn Glenn Show, I wish you a happy holidays. Except for you, Dale. You can go fuck yourself.